The Delhi High Court has put a stay on the bail of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The Delhi High Court has pronounced its verdict today on a plea by the Enforcement Directorate seeking a stay on the Rouse Avenue Court's order granting bail to CM Kejriwal. High Court observed that the trial court has not applied its mind and has not considered the material provided by the ED. Shubh Rana joins us for more details on this story. Shubh, blow coming for Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party?
Yes, definitely. It's basically a bad news for the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal because the High Court have stayed the order which was passed by the trial court, and they have also said that the trial court have not discussed the conditions which have to become under the PMLA. Also referring to the decisions, the High Court have also argued that the proper applications were not discussed. Also, the matter of the ED side was not barely appreciated by the trial court. Therefore, this order remains to be stayed. That means Arvind Kejriwal will remain behind the bars unless Kejriwal doesn't knock the doors of the Supreme Court. So basically, a big shock to Aam Aadmi Party and Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal, where he's announced that he will remain in Tihar jail till he doesn't approach Supreme Court. And tomorrow there will be hearing in the Supreme Court on the same matter because the High Court have stayed the order which was passed by the bench of Justice Nyay Bindu, which have said that now Arvind Kejriwal can get on the relief. But this was challenged by ED, wherever ED have said that their orders, that their arguments were not appreciated. Also, within because this comes under PMLA, and PMLA is such a triggering act that we cannot get the zamanat on that terms. So basically, it is a big shock to Aam Aadmi Party. But the sources of Aam Aadmi Party have been saying that now Arvind Kejriwal can knock the doors of Supreme Court. This is the next option for Aam Aadmi Party. Yes, back to you there.
Absolutely, Shobha, but certainly, of course, this is not good news for Arvind Kejriwal and his legal team, also for the Delhi government, of course, given the fact that the Delhi CM will have to stay in jail. What did the High Court say today while rejecting his bail? Please, Shobha, okay, stay with us. More reactions coming in from on ground outside the court.
Properly.
So what order has been passed by the High Court? So today, sir,
The High Court has appreciated our arguments and has stayed the order of bail in favor of Mr. Kejriwal.
Observations made by the High Court bench, sir, on your application.
There are several observations made. One regarding Section 45.
Section 45.
45 having not been considered properly. Another is that the papers, when the order was read. Hello. बाहर आने दो. चलो
सर प्लीज सर आप एक साथ रहो.
आप थे ना.
Trial court did not appreciate the material placed on record by the ED.
Yes. You were present when the order was read. Hello. बाहर आने दो. चलो
Shubh Rana continues to be with us. Shubh, what did the High Court say today while rejecting Arvind Kejriwal's bail plea? What did the High Court's observations, what were they on the trial court order?
Is definitely there because this matter comes under Section 45 of PMLA, and the High Court have observed that the plea of the arguments of the ED side was ignored by the trial court, and also there was no conditions because the trial court of the Justice Bindu have termed no conditions on the bail application. There was no conditions because when Sanjay Singh was granted bail, there was conditions that he was not allowed to talk about this matter. But in this Arvind Kejriwal relief, there was no such conditions from the trial court. Therefore, High Court have said that since there was no conditions on this bail, and also ED remarks weren't appreciated that way, therefore the High Court choose to stay on this order, and if the order is on the stay, therefore Arvind Kejriwal needs.
What is going to be Arvind Kejriwal's strategy ahead? Will this order be challenged by the legal team of Arvind Kejriwal?
Okay, the next steps would be that Arvind Kejriwal have the option to knock the doors of Supreme Court, and tomorrow the hearing might take place, because Arvind Kejriwal still have the chance to Supreme Court, because day before yesterday, Arvind Kejriwal have knocked the doors of Supreme Court, where he have said in the Supreme Court that this time the ED choose to knock the doors of High Court wherever ED have challenged the judgment passed by the trial court. Therefore, the Supreme Court have said Arvind Kejriwal that there needs to be a long wait. There needs to be a wait of the High Court decision. Therefore, the further discussion would happen. So, therefore, it is happening in that matter that Arvind Kejriwal have the option to knock the doors off the Supreme Court wherever the official confirmation is not given in the party. But Saurabh Bhardwaj will address a very important press conference in a few time, where he will tell what is the next steps of action by the legal cell of the Aam Aadmi Party. Yes, back to you.
Ayush also joins us for more on this story. Ayush, what legal reactions have poured into this big order by the Delhi High Court?
दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट ने अरविंद केजरीवाल की जमानत याचिका पर स्टे लगा दिया है. द दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट हैज अप्लाइड अ स्टे टू द bail petition of Arvind Kejriwal, and now Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party is all set to move to Supreme Court. And yesterday also the Supreme Court asked the Aam Aadmi Party, yesterday also the Supreme Court asked Arvind Kejriwal's lawyer to at least wait for the High Court's order. The High Court order may come in the favor of Arvind Kejriwal, but as of now, the High Court stated that the order of the trial court, which is Rouse Avenue Court, was not justified. The ED had not got enough chance to represent what they believe and what are their valid points. As of now, the lawyer for Arvind Kejriwal is all set to go to the Supreme Court tomorrow, as the matter is already listed in the cause list, and now Supreme Court will announce the verdict whether it will put a stay on High Court's decision or not. See, this will not go many long like the earlier bail matters, since this is just a regular bail petition, and the Supreme Court also commented in the previous hearing that bail matters should not be taken for too long and the verdict should be pronounced immediately. So now it is to see that whether Supreme Court will grant the major relief to Arvind Kejriwal or not. Over to you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.